Want to see after hours and pre-market data in TradingView? Extended hours give you a better view of the full market picture. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn them on easily. Let's get started. First, open tradingview.com in your browser and make sure to sign into your account so all features are available. Next, go to the Products section at the top of the homepage. This is where you can explore chart tools and add-ons. Then click on Super Charts, TradingView's advanced charting platform where you'll be making your edits. After that, head over to the settings icon in the upper right corner of the chart. It looks like a little gear. Now under the symbol tab, look for the session drop-down menu, click it and select extended trading hours. Lastly, click OK to apply the changes and you're all set. Bonus tip, if you want to differentiate extended hours visually, enable highlight extended hours in the appearance settings. This helps you track pre and post market activity more clearly. And that's how you enable extended trading hours in TradingView. This is great for tracking price movements before and after the market closes. Like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides and tools to level up your trading game. See you next time!